Hi guys, good morning. The time here right now in North America, we're 8:36 a.m. Now I'm gonna fix this transformer because the complaint is didn't work. He said it didn't work the weighing scale. So I'm gonna fix this one right now. So I'm gonna use the wire stripper to open up the wire and join again. No resistance, but if you reverse position has a resistance, so that means the diode is good. And then I'm gonna measure here the primary winding or no. I think primary winding is wrong here. Yeah, primary winding open. So this is problem. Primary winding open. Yeah. So primary winding open. So what we're gonna do, maybe some of the transformer has a thermistor like a fuse. So this is this power supply DC is bridge type. You see 4 diodes in there. So this bridge type. The problem, the main concern right now is the transformer is broken. Morning. that's our new supervisor. Okay guys, that is for now, because this transformer is burning, so burn already, it's broken wire, so I think it's better to change new one than to one. Okay guys, bye bye, God bless, bye.